The mystery behind Drop Tower, Unveiled. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase, drop tower. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Let's jump right in. A drop tower is primarily known as an amusement park ride. Imagine a tall structure where riders are lifted to the top and then released, experiencing a free fall before being safely slowed down and brought to the ground. The thrill comes from the sensation of weightlessness and rapid descent. Let's break down the words. 1. Drop. This means to fall or let something fall. In everyday language, you might drop a pen if it slips from your hand. 2. Tower. A tall structure. Think of famous towers like the Eiffel Tower or the Leaning Tower of Pisa. When combined, drop tower represents a tall structure from which something or someone drops or falls. Though drop tower mainly refers to the amusement ride, it can also metaphorically depict situations where someone experiences a sudden downfall or unexpected drop in status or emotion. For example, after hearing the news, her spirits felt like they were on a drop tower. And there you have it. Drop tower might make you think of thrilling amusement park rides, but its application can go beyond that in the realm of metaphors. We hope this video helped clarify this phrase for you. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.